The Orion Motortech 49-piece Harmonic Balancer Puller Kit comes with 3 adapters as well as 30 bolts in the most common SAE and metric sizes. Each crank puller is constructed out of hardened number 45 steel, and the center adapters are further heat treated, so you can relax knowing this kit will be up for the task. Let's see this tool in action. Step 1. Insert the puller bolt into the duck's foot. Identify the correct bolts for your application. Align the tool by inserting the puller into the mating hole in the harmonic balancer. Insert the bolts through the appropriate slot and into the threads of the harmonic balancer, tightening down just until they bottom out. Be careful not to over or under tighten here. Tighten the puller bolt until snugly in place. Once you've confirmed everything is into alignment, you can then tighten down. Gradually, the balancer will come loose. And that's it! The Harmonic Balancer Puller Kit from Orion Motortech, helping you get more life in your car.